Hello everyone, welcome to Neetu's Home Foods again. Today I'm making a easy healthy strawberry banana milkshake that my kids love. We just need 2 bananas, 1 cup of cold milk, few almonds, half a cup of strawberry, and honey is optional. Bananas and strawberries are good sources of vitamin C, potassium, which are good for heart and blood pressure too. They also give you tons of energy and aids digestion. Almonds have healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. It also reduces hunger and promotes weight loss. So let's get started to make this delicious milkshake. I have chopped the bananas into big cubes. I have washed the strawberries and cut them into big chunks as well. Now in the blender goes the chopped bananas, almonds, and the chopped strawberries. And first I'm going to blend them all without adding any milk or honey now. Here it is, ready and smooth. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of honey. Adjust honey as per your family's taste. If you don't want, you can just skip honey too. Now I'm adding 1 cup of cold milk and I'm going to give it a good quick pulse. Here it is, all ready to serve, and it is best when it is served fresh immediately after you make it. Make sure you stay healthy and energized all day long because your family needs you. Dedicated to all the mothers around the globe. Happy Mother's Day everyone. Like my video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned for more coming up.